Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article by Tesla Insider posted on Facebook. And as you can see, the title says Tesla rolls out expanded access to 30 days FSD trials for more drivers. So I'm not sure if you guys are like me, because this is the second time I'm already on the trial, and it's supposed to be ending tomorrow. So if this article is true, then I should be receiving another extended 30 days more, and the expiration date will be December 23rd. So I don't know. Have you guys received another extensions? But this is something is going to be good. So Tesla right now they're rolling out the FSD, the robo taxis, the robots. So that's what they want all the customers to experience. Like I mentioned before, if your product is so good, and if you don't bring it to the mass, and you don't let the people know that it's good, how are they going to be aware of it? How are they going to try it? How are they going to buy it? So that's when Tesla, Elon, sent out a memo to all of the employees. Any Tesla owners that are taking delivery of their new Tesla, they will be having the experience with the employees, showing them how to use the full self-driving and going through all that stuff. So. And now this is good, because not only that, but the more we use FSD, the more data Tesla will have. So it's a win-win situation for the consumers and also for Tesla as well. And I think Tesla is on the right path. If my latest video where I had the Tesla drove me to my cousin's wedding, and it was, I would say, if I would have rated like from 1 out of 10, it would have been an 8. There's a few hiccups where, like I mentioned before, for some reason, Tesla, when they wait until the last minute to make the exit, to me, I think that's just kind of like, it put me in like a spot where I feel nervous, If you know you're about to exit, and like maybe the next 1 or 2 exit, and you're still all the way in the fast lane, and Tesla was very, I would say, aggressive on doing that. And to me, I think that's not like a safe driver would do. So if it's me, if I know I'm going to be exiting, I would be be on the right lane, beforehand, so that way I don't have to wait and rush signaling. And you can't tell what the other drivers will do for you. Some they might give you leeway, and some they might not. But other than that, like the overall experience, it was good. Yeah, I'm more comfortable with it now than before, and without the nag. I think with the last scenario, there's only one time where for some reason it actually asked me to hold on to the steering wheel, which was weird. But I think there should be another version that coming out with this. So I don't know. You guys tell me. Have you guys tried the full self driving? Did you like it? Was there anything that you didn't like about it? Let me know in the section below. But other than that, I'm hoping to get another date trial soon, and if I do, I'll keep you guys posted. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.